This is the Kindergarten WES Home Learning Plan tutorial. On the left is the scheduled subjects. We have morning meeting, SFA and daily video, reading and writing, math and enrichment, and then our specials classes. We are going to look at one full day of material so you are familiar with how the home learning plan works. On Monday, kindergarten will begin with the pledge. Click on the blue link and it will take you to the YouTube page showing you the Pledge of Allegiance. Following that, you will click on the link that says Calendar. This will take you to the Starfall website where you can make a calendar. Next, you will answer your question for the theme of the day. When you move on to the SFA daily video, click on the link and it takes you to the site where you can then play your video. For reading and writing, you have an alphabet activity. And then the shared story is also linked. And this is a PDF file of your shared story that you can scroll through and follow along. For math, you have 2 bullet points and then your link, the invention of zero, which takes you to a YouTube page. Finally, you have your PE activity. And this takes you to Go Noodle. These home learning plans will be posted on your Class Dojo page, the Weirton Elementary Facebook page, and the Weirton Elementary website. If you have any questions, please contact your teacher and they will be happy to help.